Begin by coming into awkward chair pose, Utkatasana. Take several breaths here with your feet grounded to the floor. Make sure your thighs are low and your weight is in the back of your heels. Bring your hands to Anjali Mudra at the heart, prayer position. Feel all four corners of your left foot on the floor as you start to peel your right foot off the ground. Keep your left knee bent as you cross your right ankle over to rest on your left thigh just above the knee. Flex your right foot strongly. If you look down, you'll be able to see a triangle form by your legs. And then sink down into the pose. To release, take the right leg off and back to the floor and take a few breaths in awkward chair pose before doing the pose on the left side.